Determining the correct conductor size for a 235-foot distance to a house involves several factors. Firstly, we need to consider the load, which is given as 154 amps. The distance is 235 feet. We'll assume a power factor of 1.0, which represents a unity power factor for calculation purposes. The voltage is 240 volts, assuming a 240 volt single-phase system. When it comes to conductor material, copper is often preferred for residential electrical installations. This is due to its high conductivity, durability, and flexibility. Aluminum is a less expensive alternative but has a lower conductivity. This means a larger conductor size is needed for aluminum to carry the same amount of current as copper. Because avoiding skimping is preferable, copper is the recommended conductor material. Now let's calculate the appropriate conductor size. The formula to use is conductor size equals load times distance, divided by voltage times power factor times conductivity. Plugging in the values, we have 154 amps times 235 feet, divided by 240 volts times 1.0 times 0.90. The 0.90 represents a copper conductivity adjustment factor. This calculation yields a 4/0 American wire gauge, or AUG, conductor size. A 4/0 AWG copper conductor meets the requirements for a 154 amp load over a distance of 235 feet while adhering to code standards. There are also additional considerations. One important factor is voltage drop. A long distance to the house, such as 235 feet, may cause a significant voltage drop. This means the voltage at the house might be lower than the voltage at the meter, potentially affecting the performance of appliances and other electrical equipment. To mitigate voltage drop and ensure an adequate power supply, consider using a larger conductor size. This will reduce the resistance of the wire and minimize the voltage drop. Another consideration is conduit. The conductors should be installed in a conduit for protection and proper support. Conduit protects the wires from physical damage, such as from digging or rodents, and also helps to organize the wiring. The type of conduit used will depend on the specific installation requirements and local codes. Remember to always follow the National Electrical Code, or NEC, requirements for conductor sizing, installation, and safety precautions. The NEC provides detailed guidelines for electrical installations to ensure safety and compliance. It's essential to consult the NEC to ensure the wiring meets all applicable requirements. The NEC covers topics such as conductor ampacity, overcurrent protection, grounding, and bonding. It is critical to adhere to these standards. While experience with electricity in the military is valuable, consulting with a licensed electrician for confirmation and guidance is crucial. This ensures compliance with local codes and regulations. A licensed electrician can review the calculations, inspect the installation, and provide expert advice to ensure the electrical system is safe and code compliant. Choosing the right conductor size is essential for ensuring a safe and reliable electrical system. Considering factors such as load, distance, voltage drop, and code requirements, and consulting with qualified professionals will lead to a successful installation.